This is altitude. Let's say this is x and this length is y.
Mhm.
How do you find altitude length?
Try doing similar triangles or congruent triangles, and then
Yeah, I'll tell you a trick first. Then we can jump onto a similar triangle concept.
oh,
H is equal to square root of x times y.
like
A is equal to, listen carefully, x times x plus 1.
okay,
And D is equal to y times y plus x.
okay.
So x and y are on what side?
The button, the base.
Hypotenuse.
Isn't the hypotenuse B?
Hypotenuse is not B. Hypotenuse is the side which is opposite to 90 degrees.
Oh, couldn't that also be? Oh wait, never mind.
Yeah, the thing is side opposite to larger angle is in triangle. Side opposite to larger angle is larger. Is this plot?
Yeah.
So 90 degrees is the largest angle. So the corresponding side is this one.
Okay.
That is the thing. So this is the concept. So B is square root of y times y plus x.
Okay.
Y times y plus x. And A is square root of x times x plus 1.
Okay.
Or long.
Huh? Yeah.
Can you compare these two triangles? How many triangles do you see here?
3.
3. Are they similar? First compare left one and right one.
Yeah. Right.
The thing is, they are similar.
How?
Okay. Let me draw it here. This is the main one.
Okay.
So let me split this into two triangles, left triangle and right triangle, like this. Same shape. This comes here, this comes here. 90 degrees is common in both.
Yeah.
So one angle is equal. So we got 1A. To understand the remaining angles, let us assume first this angle is say x.
Okay.
How much will be this one?
Uh. X minus 90 minus X.
So 90 minus x. Let's keep that in mind. This is the angle. So in this diagram, you understood that this is x, this is 90 minus x. How much is this total angle? Do you remember?
Huh? Which one?
This total.
Wait, 90.
Good. This is 90. And some portion was 90 minus x. So the rest of the angle will be
Mm, 90, 90 minus x? 90 minus.
90 minus of the yellow angle. Correct?
Yeah.
Yellow angle is 90 minus x. Overall answer is
Uh, which is basically
how much? After simplification, what is the answer?
x equals 180. Wait.
No. Now this entire is equal to how much?
Oh, wait. Do you have to distribute and everything?
Yeah. Distribute what?
The 90. So, oh, x is equal.
Distribute this negative sign like this to this and also to this.
So, negative 90 plus x.
So 90, negative 90 and
X.
just
Positive. Yeah.
positive x. Ninety and 90. Remaining is
X is equal to 90.
C. This expression becomes how much?
0.
Just x degrees.
Oh, okay.
So this blue angle was how much?
90 minus 90 minus 90 minus times d minus x.
See, that's what we solved, right? This is that length is how much?
X. So just x.
So this blue angle is x. So in this triangle, this is x, and this will be.
90 minus x.
So now, can you compare the left triangle and right triangle
Yeah, they're similar.
with what criteria?
Angle.
Now, in order to write the proportionality statement, we first label the vertices. Correct?
Yeah.
So let me just label this vertices as A, B, C, D, A, B, C, and D. So tell me which triangles will be similar?
Triangle ABD and triangle uh B ABD and triangle BCD.
Good. B, C, D. Now, can you run the proportionality statement?
AB, BD, and AD over BC, CD, and BD.
Simple, right?
Yeah.
So equal to like this, like this. Now, look at these two things. There is BD and BD common.
Mm-hmm.
In these two fractions, BD and BD are common, right?
Yeah.
So what is BD here?
BD is the altitude.
So let's compare these two fractions. So BD square is equal to how much?
Uh, Square root of BD. Wait. Uh,
These two things. Cross product.
BD squared is equal to CD times AD. Yeah.
So BD is nothing but square root of CD into B, CD into A. CD and AD, right?
Here.
There are CD and AD.
CD and AD, it's like the hypotenuse.
They are like hypotenuse. It's like
Part of it.
this times this. So when you drop a perpendicular, when you drop an altitude, this segment's product is the altitude. Okay.
Okay.
E equal B is 90 degrees. Didn't we do these types of questions before?
I'm not sure. No, I don't think so. Not probably.
Okay, for now you understood this, right?
Yeah.
This answer you got when you compared these two triangles. What happens when you compare this one with a larger one? Are they similar?
Yeah.
How?
You have the 90 you have they share common angle.
The small one and the larger one.
So they share one common angle and oh wait.
One angle is what?
Uh the angle A.
X degrees. What about the remaining?
Oh wait. And the is
How much is angle B?
angle B 90.
So in this triangle, apart from X, 90 degrees is also comma.
Yeah.
So triangles are
Triangles are is similar to triangle uh ABC. Wait, ACB.
A.
ACB.
Good. ACB. So now proportionality statement is
AB, BD, AD over AC, CB, and AB.
which two ratios should you think you have to compare?
BD and CB over AD and AB.
The thing is these two things. Because AB and AB. AB is this side, right?
Yeah.
Try to prove the formula. Okay. Download the notes.